Welcome everyone. Today we are checking out this extra long and wide folding dog car ramp. The 71-inch length creates a gentle slope for senior or injured pets to climb safely. A high-traction fabric rug covers the surface, so your furry friend never slips or slides. This durable aluminum frame supports up to 250 pounds for large dog breeds. The unique quadruple-fold design makes it easy to store in your trunk or under furniture. At only 17 pounds, this lightweight ramp is simple for anyone to carry and set up. It works perfectly for SUVs, trucks, and even indoor furniture like high beds or couches. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.